Hi team, good morning to everyone. My name is Venkat. Okay, today we are going to discuss about Sccm Active Directory discovery methods. So when we are discussing about the discovery methods, we need to know why we need this. That means what is the purpose of that discovery methods. Okay, so uh, first, just get to understand that what is the requirement of the this discovery methods for SCM. So one very simple question to all of us, that why we need this means how the SCM will get the information that what are the devices are available, or what are the users are available, or what are the sites are available, and what is the forest is available. Like forest means like what are the domains are available, Active Directory sites are available, what are the IP sets are available in your environment. There is the question mark. So that means how SCM will get to know all this information means is there any human being sitting background and always typing that okay, these are the information is there, come on, take it, no, right? So right now we are already upgraded SCM like anything. So I think this is the very silly question. So something is there to find this one. What is that? It is nothing but our SCM discovery methods. So what is exactly will do the SCM discovery methods is like it act like a bridge between your Active Directory, your domain Active Directory, to your SCM database. Okay, so when we see here, this is our domain controller, right? So whatever the groups are there, or whatever the containers or child containers, and within the container what are the objects are there, either it is a device or users, whatever it is. Okay, whatever the objects are there, as well as whatever the sites are available in your Active Directory sites and services. For now here nothing is there, I need to create. So what are the sites are there, everything need to pass to our SCM to provide the services to the end users, right? So how we are going to do this one? Okay, now I'm in domain controller. Let me jump into SCM primary site server. Okay, to do this, see here, just go to administrations and go to hierarchy configurations, and then click on discovery methods. Here you can see the discovery methods. Okay, so these are the main key role will play to get the information from your Active Directory to SCM. Okay, so first thing first, here the main things are like Active Directory. The name itself it represents that what it do actually, right? So Active Directory forest discovery, Active Directory group discovery, system, user, okay, and then heartbeat, network discovery. Okay, we will discuss these two later. For now we will discuss these four. First thing first, forest discovery. Forest discovery means it will check your Active Directory domain services. Once you enable it, automatically it will check your Active Directory domain services and what are the sites are available, and what are the IP subnets are available in your Active Directory sites and services. Okay, it will get that information and it will provide to SCM. So for example, let's say that once Active Directory forest discovery find one IP subnet, then this method has a capability to convert this IP subnet into IP address range as well. So let's see how, if we enable, what will happen. Just click on enable. So here you can clearly see the options. Automatically create Active Directory site boundaries. See, for example, when Active Directory site is found in your Active Directory, it automatically will create boundaries under the boundaries node. Okay, for example, if you enable this, then what will happen? If any IP subnets, see here, if any IP subnets are found in your Active Directory site, then it will convert as a IP address range. Okay, and it will create here under boundaries. So that is the main advantage, right? and you can put some schedule also for to run this one every week or every day or every hour. It all depends on your requirement in your environment. Okay, so this is the use of this Active Directory for discovery. Let's go to other one. See, the name itself, it indicates Active Directory group discovery, right? Group, that means whatever the groups you are creating in your Active Directory, okay, you are able to pinpoint to that specific group to get the objects. What are the objects are created in that group? It will get that information and it will give to the SCCM. Okay, that is the major advantage of Active Directory group discovery. Next one, Active Directory system discovery. Okay, let's check into this one. Properties, just try to enable it. Add groups. Let's give some SCCM groups. Give a name. Okay. If you have any other domain controller server name, you can specify it. If you are using normal default, since it is lab, yes, I can go with this. Just click on browse, type SCCM, check names. See, SCCM servers, SCCM accounts. Let's go to the domain controller. See, domain controller, click on groups. See, SCCM servers, SCCM accounts. If you want to check what are the groups are there, type SCCM, how many groups are there. Okay, fine. Now see, this is user, but the remaining things are groups, right? Type SCCM servers, SCCM accounts. When you go to the primary server also, you can see the same. See, only two. So I'll select SCCM servers, click OK. So whatever the objects are there inside the SCCM servers group, it will take all that objects to the SCCM. That is the main purpose. Okay, and if you want to use the service account, you can use service account by clicking on here. See, existing account or new account, of course we will use existing account, but I logged in with the service account only, so no problem. But if you want existing account, let's put SCCM SVC service account. Okay, let's browse it. Okay, SCCM SVC. Check names. See, this is the service account. Let me put some password. That's all. Just click verify. Test correction. Yeah, correction was successful. See, click OK. Okay, so we are using service account. Click OK. That's all. Just click apply. Do you want to run? Yes, I want to run it. Okay, click OK. That's all. So this is about, so what are the objects are there inside that SCCM server. Everything will be get the information using this discovery method. Now check what will do this by the Active Directory system discovery. As name indicates, it will use to find the devices in your Active Directory. Okay, go to properties, enable it for new. Okay, here you just need to understand a simple concept, like you can specify specific path. Like you for example, let's say your Active Directory contains many containers or many like many other things also. You don't want to jump into that other containers. You want to focus on only your SCCM specific folder. So how you will do it? Here you can mention that. Okay, go to SCCM. I don't want to go any other. Okay, I want this method to search only in this folder. Okay, discover objects within the Active Directory groups. Okay, what are the objects are there inside the groups? Yes, I want to discover them. Okay, and search Active Directory child containers, recursively search. Okay, so that means actually here click browse. See, this is the one container. The inside there are another 4 child containers. Okay, so I want to see inside of this child containers also. Please don't stop until this, right? Until the parent container. I want to check child containers also. So that's the reason I want to enable this. If for example, let's say I don't want to search, I don't want this system discovery want to go into service accounts, because I know this is user accounts only. So I don't want to I don't want this Active Directory method, I don't want to go into these service accounts. So I want to exclude this group. How I will do? If you want to exclude any specific container, you can do it from select subcontainers to be excluded from discovery. You can do it from here. So now it will discover from all these child containers, but not from service accounts. Okay, because we have added here. See, let's specify the same account, new account, browse, Sccm, SVC, service account. Good. Venkat 123. Venkat 123. Okay. Test connection. Good, successful. Click OK. That's it. Done. Okay. If you want to, run the discovery as soon as possible, yes, just run it. Nothing wrong. If you want to keep the schedule, you can do it for every 7 days, or else you can do weekly, monthly. Okay, or else if you want to set only 1 day, yes, you can do it. Okay. And you want to get the delta discovery interval, delta discovery for every 5 minutes, or you can increase. Since it is delta discovery, no problem, right? And DDR records are very less size actually, so it's not a problem. Active Directory attributes, yeah, this will be very useful when you are working on reports. Okay, we will discuss that one when it comes to the reports also. So if you want to add any new attributes, okay, let's say object GUID. Okay, if you want to add anything, instance type, just add it. You can do all that. Okay, but for now, not needed for me. We will discuss about this when it comes to the reporting concept. Click OK. That's all. Okay. Now go to the user discovery. Yeah, I want users also need to discover, right? So because I want to set some operations, role-based administration controls. All users also need to have access on the Sccm. So many things need to do, right? Click properties, same thing. There is no difference between these and this, almost same. Okay, just browse Sccm, yes. Okay, that's all. Just click OK. So what are the users are there? Automatically it will get from the Active Directory and it will add into the Sccm. I want to put 1 day, that's all. Click apply, that's all. Okay, that's it. Heartbeat discovery, actually every 1 day or every 1 hour also we can put the clients will send the heartbeat discovery to your primary site. That is simply saying that okay, I'm still alive, that's all. So to say that is still alive, they need to send DDRs. So it will automatically enable, you can see here. That's it. Okay, and since we enable this one, network discovery is not required. So where we can see all these informations, if you want to see, you go to the wherever your Sccm installed, go to the installation path and go to logs. There you can see group discovery, system discovery, user discovery. Very simple. It's very straightforward. AD services. Okay. Okay, good. It's added. We can see all this. Sccm, DC lab, OU groups. If you want to see VD service component, not this one. This is user, right? See, put message into database queue with something. This is user ID. This one. Valid path true. Good. Okay. So that's how we will work with Active Directory methods. And if you want to see the logs also, you can see everything from here. This is system discovery. Zero objects found. Okay. Under the container. No objects. Okay. Because it is system. Okay. Let's go into the Sccm console again. So today we discussed about the discovery methods, and we will discuss in next video we will discuss about boundaries and boundary groups. Okay. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.